guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making shrimp with the soy sauce, guys. Before you watching my video, can you please support my channel? Don't forget subscribe me, please. I wait for you. Please subscribe me. Thank you guys. And this is 1.5 pounds of shrimp, guys. I'm not taking out the skin, I only clean it inside. The inside right there, I already clean it. And this shrimp I already washed, guys, okay? And right now I can use some of ginger, just like that, guys, a little bit, okay? And 2 pieces of garlic, and 5 pieces of green onions. And the garlic and ginger I can cut it small pieces, guys. I can cut it little small pieces. Okay, just cut it small pieces like that, guys. And right now I can boil the shrimp first. I can put a little bit some oil in the water. Boil it the shrimp for 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay, guys. You don't have to boil the shrimp too long, guys. As long already turned brown, take it out. Okay. I can take out the shrimp right now. Take out only shrimp, guys. Okay, and throw away the water. I put it the shrimp, all of them on the plate. And the green onions, I cut it little pieces like that, guys. I can put it all the green onions on the top on the shrimp. I can put it all over. And now I can use 7 tablespoons Knorr soy sauce and teaspoon sweet soy sauce, tablespoon sesame oil, half teaspoon beef flavor. I'm going to mix it a little bit first. I can put it a little bit some oil. I can saute the garlic and ginger first. And when the garlic already turned a little bit brown, put the sauce in, guys. Boil it the sauce. Wait until the sauce getting really hot, guys. And after that, take out the sauce and put it all of them on the shrimp, guys. Okay. This is my rice, guys. I'm going to eat the shrimp with the rice. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and thank you so much, guys, for your sub, for your love and support. You are a good person. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting my channel. I really appreciate that. And I'll be posting new recipe every Friday. Thank you, guys, and have a great weekend. Bye.